Hi guys, today we are learning how to make an acai bowl using just a few ingredients. So I have here my ingredients already set up. I have the base that we're going to make the bowl out of and a few toppings to put on top. So we start with the acai packet. The acai berry, as you may or may not know, is full of antioxidants, which are great for your health. Then I use 3/4 of a cup of frozen berries, 5 ounces of almond milk, and we're ready to stir it up. This one is my favorite blender for stirring because it has this magical little twisty thing to get all the stuff off the sides. Now, excuse me, it's going to be loud. And it's ready. So now we pour our base into our bowl. Now, if you want your base to be a little bit thicker, then you're going to use a little bit less almond milk. If you want it to be runnier, use more almond milk. Top it with some granola, some fresh berries, like some banana, blueberries, and strawberries. Oh man, that's a lot of strawberries. Then I like to do a little bit of sweet, so we're going to add some honey. And sprinkle it with a little coconut. Again, all of these are optional. You can cover it up however you want. And voila, all done. So you have a delicious, nutritious meal in, I'm going to guess that took us about 2.5 minutes.